Hi, in this video you will learn how to track lead submission on Google Ad using Google Tag Manager. This is a step by step video. First of all, we have to install Google Tag Manager to our website. So let's see, this is our website, new weight loss. We have to integrate Google Tag Manager on this account. I have already integrated Google Tag Manager account with this website. If you don't know how to integrate Google Tag Manager account, please watch this video on my channel. I will share this video on my comment below or description box. Okay, so I will just check this account is working good or not. When you have completed integration, then you can enter your Google Tag Manager account and using preview mode. Just try to connect of our website. Just if successfully connected, then you can understand very easily that your website is integrated on your Google Tag Manager account. Here you can see connected. Okay, so our first step, Google Tag Manager setup done. Now create a new tag for lead submission. So we need to create a new tag. So for this we need to go our Google Ads account. Please click the submission option. Please click the goal option. Here you can see no conversion or no goal has been set up. Just click new conversion action, and here you can see website. Please click the website. You have to enter your domain. Just I'm trying to copy this domain and I will enter my domain here, and just we need to scan, and here you can see they will find someone, but I will add conversion action manually. Okay, so select one, just here click the submit lead form, write a name, lead submission tracking, and use same value is conversion, and click through Windows 30 days is perfect. Click and go to the done option, and please click the save and continue option. Here you can see, first of all we have to set up Google Tag. So here you can see use a Google Tag Manager. Please click on. Here you can see conversion ID and conversion level. Here you can see navigated, create a new lead submission, and now we need to configure Google Ad conversion track, conversion ID and conversion level. Okay, so please copy this conversion ID and please go Google Tag Manager. When you will go Google Tag Manager, just click the tag option and click the new option and write here lead submission tracking. Okay, and click tag configuration, click Google Ad, click Google Ad conversion tracking, and here you can see conversion ID. Please paste conversion ID and copy conversion level. Okay, just I'm paste conversion level, and I'm going to save this option. Okay, save this tag. Then we need to set up a trigger. Okay, so we need to set up a trigger. Just we need to set up a trigger. Just we are connect again. We are connect again and connect to our website and click the free consultation option. Okay, just click the free consultation and write, just click some information. Okay, I just randomly share information. Just here, lead submission tracking, and paste this one. Okay, or just click the submission and just paste this option. When we are pasting submit our information, you can see our URL is changes thank you pages. So just copy this thank you by Google, copy this option and set up a trigger. So when you will set up a trigger, just write here, just lead submission trigger. Okay, and just click here page view, some pages, paste page URL contain thank you and save this option. Okay, so trigger setup is done. So now we need to set up trigger. Just I'm going to lead submission tracking and we need to set up a trigger. So just click lead submission trigger and save this option. Okay, so successfully we have set up Google lead submission tracking. Now we need to verify. Okay, so I'm going to verify now. Just go to the preview option, connect this website, and here you can see successfully connected, but here you can see successfully connected 6 tag not fire lead submission tracking. Okay, just we are submit a lead form again and check what happened. Okay, just submit lead. I just input value randomly. Okay, okay, done. So now we need to check. Here you can see lead submission tracking is fire, so successfully working. So here we need to go done option, and here you can see this is inactive. Just we need to verify now. So for verify we need to submit this tag now. Okay, so I'm going to submit and publish this tag because this is working successfully. Okay, so I'm going to now verify on Google. So just click troubleshoot. Google tag assistant is connected now. Just copy website URL and paste here and connect this option. We're trying to connect again and successfully is connected. Okay, just click the free consultation option and submit lead again. Okay, so I just then click this option, select a country or lead submission tracking. Click this option and finally thank you page is coming. So we are just checking here, lead submission is successfully tracked. Okay, so just here you can see we are going to track and refresh again. Here you can see inactive status is removed. That means our tag successfully verified. So tag, we have to set up trigger, test your tag, publish container, verify in Google Ads. Using in 7 step, you can easily set up Google lead submission tracking on Google Ad. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help, then you can contact me. I will help you because I am working as a freelancer. I can help you on your project. Thank you so much for watching this video.